Okay guys, if you ever wondered how to take out your seat on a 2009 Mini Cooper, basically you take out the four bolts, and it's these right here. It uses a T30. I went out and bought a T30 socket set, so use that to take it apart, and it just has one connector. Didn't find anything like cool, like a whole bunch of money underneath my seat. But to take this connector off, let me show you. Basically that connector plugs into here, and to take it out is you lift this up, pull this out, then it should plug right out. Basically I took it out to figure out a way to keep these seat covers, which I bought, holding on better. Basically all it had was this one strap that goes front and back, none going from left to right. That's because the seats, when I bought this used in February, the seat was torn here a little bit here. So what I'm going to try is bought some of those straps that you use to hold down your bed sheets on the corners. They have some long ones that go from, short ones that go from corner to corner like these, or they have some really long ones like these that allows you to go from one end of the side of the bed to the other side. So I'm gonna try that to see if I can get a better fit with this seat cover on. So I went ahead and fed two of these down through the side here, and I used my long hex to tape on the end and feed it through and push it through. So I got it on this side, and it's here's one of them here coming out, and here's the other one. So I'm going to stretch it across and connect it on this side and say that holds on better. Okay, I went ahead and put a strap from front to back here to hold it a little bit tighter, besides these to help with this strap in the middle section. So let me turn it up right and take a look at it. So pretty happy with that. I think it's going to hold on a little better. Actually, this piece kept popping out every time I get in and out, so I think it's on there a little bit tighter. You can see there's one of the clips here and the other one's underneath. The strap goes across from left to right. So I think that looks pretty good. So vacuum out the car and put it back in and do the passenger side. Okay, this is what I before I do the passenger side, this is what it looks like before. You get the seats all puffy because it comes untucked. It's not held down nice and neat. Whereas you see the side that I did, it's much more fitted basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the passenger side and go ahead and do that. Put the straps on. Okay, here's a look at both seats done. I used these small straps. It's adjustable to about 7 inches or more length before stretching. I bought 8 of them on Amazon for about 10 bucks. And now the seat is nice and tight, conforms to the thing. You don't get that puffiness here. So I think it looks much better now, and hopefully it stays in its place. That's how you get seat covers to fit better on your on your Mini Cooper.